What's going on, everybody? My name's Sean. Right here in New Bern, North Carolina. We're about to do a crawfish boil. It's April 26th. Saturday is a perfect day for a crawfish boil, as you can tell. We got 60 pounds of crawfish today from Craving Crawfish. They're in Vanceboro. Go ahead and hit them up on Facebook. And some great guys. Right now, we're about to purge them. We're going to fill this up with some water, get them mud cleaned out and everything, and we'll get down on 10 pounds. All right. So you can tell they got all this mud in there, and they're just got this hose hooked up to the cooler. Once this runs clear, we'll be ready to go. So for today's boil, we're using the Cajun Land Complete Boil and half a bag of Louisiana Crawfish Bowl seasoning. Typically, I'd go with the Swamp Fire, but it didn't deliver in time, so I'm stuck with that. We'll go with these bowl boosters. We got the Herbal Overload, Zesty Citrus, and Smashed Garlic. We also gonna put a little bit of this Swamp Fire liquid bowl. Got pure lemon oil, a bottle of lemon juice, and a bottle of jalapeno peppers. This is gonna bring out the citrus flavor in the crawfish. It's my favorite way to do it, along with some Kaneka sausage and some potatoes. Shout out to Mississippi State, Hail State, my alumni. All right. Oh yeah, a couple lemons and oranges. All right, let's get this going. What you want to do is stick your hand in there, move around, get that dirt dislodge. Don't be worried if they bite you, pinch you, whatever. You don't hurt that bad. It hurts for a second, but all right, yeah, we'll get this going. So the traditional crawfish boil requires one pot where you typically put all the crawfish in the seasoning all at once. But what I'm doing today is a two-pot method where you boil it in just plain water. It'll get all the nasty stuff out of there. It's a pure purge. You don't want all the nasty stuff soaking back into the pot or overcooking. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a seasoned pot. We're going to let that get the boil in, all the flavors mixed together, and then we're going to let it cut that off, get it down about 140 degrees. Simultaneously, we're going to have the second pot, which is the plain water. We'll cook the crawfish in there, take them out, put them in the soaking pot. That way they don't overcook and it'll really bring out the flavor. So we'll probably let it soak for about an hour. You'll know once the crawfish start to sink. When you first put them in the seasoned pot, they're going to be floating. For about 5 to 10 minutes or so until they get almost cooked, but not all the way cooked through. And then we'll go ahead and put in our oranges, onions, and the sausage. We'll let that boil for about 5 minutes. We're gonna cut the heat and let all the flavors join. drop. And then we'll go ahead on with the crawfish. Right now I'm about to dump the crawfish in this fresh water. It's up to the rolling boil. We'll let that boil for about 5 minutes, put the heat off, and we'll take them out and transfer them to the soaking pot. Because it will kill the grass. It's the only way. Watch the feet. Whoa. Good? Yeah. Whoa. We're gonna let this soak for about an hour. It's in the green, so it's gonna soak up all the good flavor. See you in an hour. Need help?
You want us to put the rest of this back in the water? So?
After the crawfish.
Oh my goodness. That is so much.